Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say Monday in French, being the first day of the week. In France we start from Monday, not from Sunday. Anyhow, how do you say Monday in French? How do you pronounce this word? In France it is said as lundi. Lundi. Yes, I know, it's that specific un sound that is formed by the letter U and N, one after the other. Lundi. It'd be fine in English to say it as well. Lundi. Lundi from French. Lundi. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more days of the week in French, and how to say more interesting and useful French vocabulary and French names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.